Welcome back to Top Moments TV today. Get ready because we are bringing you some intense moments and tech adventures that are not for the faint of heart. Dangerous things are waiting ahead. Buckle up and jump right in. High waves hit Meritport, trucks and buses crushed by waves, activities completely paralyzed.
Kalah aja Pak, kalah guys. Iya. Oke. Hari ini kita masih berada di dermaga eksekutif ya. Masih bersama dari Transit 1 ya. Yang lagi mau sandar di dermaga 3 di
Terrifying moments at Batu. Yomba, a large truck suddenly overturned before our eyes, creating a terrifying and dangerous scene.
Aduh bosku, hancur bosku. Hujan pula yang derasnya bosku. Nggak bisa lagi bosku, dalam putus tali ini bosku. Yo. Lagi. Panjang tuh.
Be amazed by the extraordinary power of the giants on the road. When 4 Volvo and Inman trucks joined forces to pull a 200-ton transformer through Tanjakan Gentong, a spectacular display of mechanical strength and resilience, proving the ability to conquer all limits of engineering. In the middle of a vast sand pit, a giant trailer truck sank into the sticky mud until its wheels were completely submerged, as if under a huge gravitational force. If you want to make a video that is crystal clear, you need to make a crystal or cry in the video. This is the way to make merit. In the case of Kong Lo, there are many cases of this type. Lu No Ko the DI. What kind of people do you want to buy?
Patah. Nah, ini dia kabel kiranya ya. Dan
Safe and professional transportation of XCMG XR 220D drilling rig from Samnua to Udomse. We are committed to ensuring your drilling rig is delivered intact and on time. Unbelievable. The monster truck carrying super heavy equipment was swallowed by mud. The hardtop team was not deterred, launching the brave hardtop warriors to free the monster from the dangerous swamp.
Nice,
A daring robbery in broad daylight. The robber was none other than a wild elephant as big as a mountain. With a calm expression as if nothing had happened, it stopped the sugarcane trucks, brazenly robbed the bundles of fresh sugarcane. Get ready for an exhilarating experience that will have you screaming. The mud pits are waiting for you, ready to test your skills like you've never experienced them before.
Tabotong nga, try. Pwede try, tabotong.
Não vai subir. Cada vez cava mais.
During the historic flood, when the floodwaters rose and threatened to wash away the vital bridge, the mighty Liebherr 926 excavator rushed into the fight.
เตอร์นะครับก็จะขึ้นได้ไหม
The rainy season is here, and it brings with it unpredictable challenges, dangerously slippery roads and hidden potholes everywhere. You may think you know the way, but the rainy season always surprises you like traps you have encountered time and time again.
Ele vai subir o barranco, hein? Agora foi, deu certinho.
Ignorância lá, ó. A ignorância um fechando o outro, ó. Ó. É brincadeira? Olha lá, ó. Aí, ó. Aí, ó. Vai discutir os dois agora, ó.
ข้างแม่น้ำฝนนะยุคฝนร้อนแดดจริงๆนะครับโอ้โหดันอย่างเดียว
A snaking ribbon of road, clinging precariously to the mountainside. Here, giants of the logging world, colossal machines of steel and roaring engines, wrestle with the terrain. Borsig, Denmark. A scene of utter devastation unfolded on the MTB SYD highway as a car transporter erupted in flames, sending plumes of smoke billowing into the sky. The Mercedes-Benz 6x6, a beast of a machine, descended with an almost unnatural grace. It moved with the effortless precision of a panther, as if the rugged terrain were mere asphalt beneath its massive tires.
Carregado.
Today is a special day. Our brand new cattle truck is ready for its first shipment. I'm so excited to see it. It's awesome.
em busca do descarregamento.
The bumpy pothole dirt road has now disappeared, replaced by a flat, wide asphalt road, like a black silk strip winding between rows of lush green trees.
Rezar pra não parar. Tá lixando tudo ali, ó. O foda é que a caçamba arrasta demais, né? Mesmo, hein? Tá acelerando.
Two mechanical giants faced each other, roaring loudly throughout the forest. The powerful excavators, like iron monsters, lifted the giant Angeline Pedra log into the air. Witnessing this extraordinary power, you will understand what Mafia de Tora is all about.
Início de carregar. Acabando mais um baixo aí. Colocou a primeira toca.
The bus numbered 5,859 of the famous Itapemirim Bus Company, which once roamed the country's roads, is now lying on a trailer. The once proud and powerful giant has now quietly left its familiar roads.
Segunda grúa tipo D para levantar esta tolva y colocar sus ejes en la cintura.
In a shocking drone video, we see a chilling scene on a Louisville bridge. A pickup truck is hanging off the side of the bridge, and inside, a woman is facing imminent death.
Ainda bem que não tá roubando um sinal ali, ó, tá vendo? Aqui, ó, como é que ficou aqui, velho?
É, rapaz.
Deixa eu dar mais uma volta pra puxar a gabine. Vamos abaixar aqui nele. Aqui, ó. Você tá doido aí. Caramba, irmão. Olha aqui, cara. Que coisa, hein? 문제야.
마지대. 올해 야바 있어. 이리 와. 예.
Sam, udah Sam.
Лесно, и там показывают.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like these eye-catching scenes, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next exciting content. See you in more exciting videos about dramatic off-road vehicles.